Nyankopon is ande we media because sabe with all due respect and with the greatest of apology sabe Nyankopon onye Gyimifuɔ wo be ka say nyame obo ye no ye mfom so na me ameyi ano say daabi
he is smart
bofo na Nyankopon so an no kote dote tuntum ba ye no na ye
for AYɛka Sam TV GH. Message now I like it, comment, subscribe, and now I turning on notification so that anytime I post the video of PC, now also when your notification now I be share be. For na on my way on my way. Me see always I repeat said journalist for no be. I on my way mono. Say on my way be say ya. Say on my way be bubua. Ebe from yeah. Now, journalists be to say, nipa a friend Captain Smart. Now, sometimes me friend Captain Smart cry. Now, I me because to me say papa no sebi smartest be an shada e woni musa but I see the dino no is friend Captain Smart. But on a more serious note, empty me be so TV3 any media general honum no say pese employing crofo vetting no and I say interview na go say pese hu journalist bi pese fan e wajumema what are the qualifications because so far from my observation and he say we obia especially for account stations. In fact, even English stations, but let's take for the accounts, for instance. Our account station, say we will be able to make a chi. Now, ebia chi no so to me young crow for, and out to me team munso. Say we surround up at 2 abet na TV so a team. You saw easy go so crano na feel free sweating na any easy no. That's we qualify for TV3. And I say qualify for Onya TV. And you call more account stations that obi to say Captain Smart. And I say Captain Smart no so no. What training will be a I say only nipa no voice pepe but onu younger onu kwara we Jimmy say Captain Smart nangaza gra. Uncle Kana Yankotia say Kwame Nkrumah will never forgive Ghana in his grave for a plane and crash. We Jimmy say Captain Smart nangaza onu there. We Jimmy say Captain Smart no. Now I'm sure the same style, yeah. Oh sorry. Now a team shouting, unnecessary shouting. Wake up early morning, go and sit on radio and shout and scream and sweat in AC. You do that, you are qualified for TV3 working. You are qualified for Onya TV. Now, Utmeka say you see car, plane, helicopter, electronics. Okay? Sometimes it's very, very hard to predict when they will break down. I thought you can do all the maintenance there is to do. You can do all the checks there is to do. But they are electronics. And you cannot take that away. That they are electronics. And Asemsina investigation so far, who Captain Smart yani Sakola or TTM no. Mo buying your mama 1.0. Onu na koto sa anya man no brai. Sa helicopters no brai. Ende mu eka. Ende munka humbi. Munka sa. After o Captain Smart will say, only vice president muko baby a go through helicopter no. Na only the difference between civilian helicopter, a passenger helicopter, any military helicopter. Sometimes I dream. Say military helicopter, soldier or two muno, or here hondia, and anything new. Because sometimes armor dia year a body no, different.
No, let me slow. I say Binika. Binika. And the crap they say, yes, I bet you see truck so. I was so say me tree be that. Nti ebia na pilot no na ebia saa na yetwi no nti memfa ne saa mentwi helicopter da nti ebia na saa na tie but pagya ne mu pa de soja ni no gina me nkyɛn ne say captain ade ebeduru ana abɔfoɔ na nyame allocate wo mo bɔ ye ho ban wo Africa no ho ɛsɛ agigye ntoboa ne yɛde sɛne nyame ma ne de ba wo mo yɛ extra work
abɔfoɔ no mo hwɛ
so ha no
na yɛ mo na be ska
dabi sa abɔfoɔ na hwɛ America na hwɛ yɛ kɛ na yɛwu because on say nyansa wo ho a mo de yɛ wo ho ade nyansa abɔfoɔ na wɔ America no wo mo mrɛ ɛyɛ ni ne yehu ɛyɛ ni no ma hwehwɛ ɛyɛ ni ne yɛ how can you tell me a country like Ghana na yɛ say dipa nwɔtwe ewu ahye ɛyɛ me yɛ wo ha ɛyɛ me yɛ bruta na yɛ say yɛ ni bibia wo mam ha betim de forensics
because sometimes you know udi sa helicopter call ebia ntokwa ase na say war say you shoot here say it be resisting bullet you know enti armor no thick Captain Smart I don't him say V8 no Land Cruiser V8 Toyota Land Cruiser V8 no you say ukona ko ye body armor ma car no glasses no bulletproof body ni bulletproof you say a more do saying the normal one that we see on the road, the Land Cruiser that we see on the road, and I Captain Smart on the manner. Hey, assemble krenia. Na media general honsu there, no standard. I said because they are shouting and they are getting the numbers and the viewers, that is all they care about. Sometimes is appalling. Yeah, very, very. I know, Madam for as far as say, homete. But Charlie, that is the people we have in this country, and we have to just cope with them like that until maybe, who knows, Makramo.
But I na me penosa. Sa se bi o wa wo be boso aba be wan se putupru brain.
Captain Smart.
Now me do adwuma na me sachu say I dey fear you. Can ha ye tie no wo. And ye fa be so extension trouble wo.
Captain Smart. The king of morning shows.
What's that say na wodwe ne ma bi hu din a etoda me tumi bisa me ho say nyame obo ye no ye mfom so. Na me amayi ano say daabi.
He is smart.
Eye bofo na nyankopon so an ma no kote dote tuntum ba ye no na ye na ase hwanya ase me se sa soro abofo na nyame so an ma no kote sa dote ne boy ye no ese na ye duru heaven ho a mo am be ko heaven no mo duru ho a ene yenso be ko be bia nyame te no yenso duru ho a me pe heaven
ameda maso nyankopon ehira mu
ese ye bi sa nyame se bofo be na wo so ano oh, cherubim mebusuani mu ana se seraph mebusuani ne yen ko hwe sa abofo ne mu se bra why but the answer is no enya bofo no fault ya Gyimi
ameda maso nyankopon ehira mu ya
o may bia osano se ohu ne ho a oye kese teni eti otufo pokuare ebu baby se tiewu akonya kitwa bia ni asase so efiri di oteso no so ada na Israel ho ada na US ho ada na UK ho ada na other countries ho no fa sa de na fa ma wo no de bra Ghana
so ye hu so hwe
and ye de Ghana di agrosa ye di agrosa ye di agrosa ene ye hu ni ye hu. And some of us have lost precious souls. I never know, because I don't know, come back up. Yet we tap soldiers said the sick car. One more car, maybe. Near time on us, or men do before some trap, or be free, Baba camp, where Pierre Bontin will do traffic like that. Not can I say? Let's just for come down, market ticket, no, we don't know to see car.
Hey yo!
Yes, say, but mama can bury a so I know what I'm talking about.
Minsuana. Ojai.
Let us say, memma kentinka. Abo kwakwa ye adwuma. Ede aboa on my kronkron Ghana. Sa na dem ye ka.
Emra o mode be ye bibi no. Emra na kom de be ye
memma
bibi.
kentinka no mu piaka.
Aseme kra.
Kaka nso eto ne se so man.
Ayo. Ojai.
Ebe mo are ho.
That look back as me.
Ojai.
Osma musuma me amewuda ho. Musuma wona echirima fo no. Na moto to nyama basa me ka me dia ho bebre. Enne me no ka say Kwame Nkrumah in his grave would never and ever forgive Ghana. If you should continue like this, Kwame Nkrumah in his grave would never and ever in his grave will forgive Ghana for the mess we have caused. Me talk about because Henry, we have gone beyond going to the crossroad. See you do quite an so see you bedi see you kweye man see you kweye chi. No, we have crossed that path. You chem was you chem what dada. You chem quite an so dada. You chem quite an so dada. Ghana is full of sika. You can't sika Ghana.
Baby Areho.